guys, we clear up our table and some mess in the counter. So we're gonna do the soup making Kojik! Yay! Kojik soap. Kojik turmeric papaya bar soap, guys. The first time I'm gonna try this. So this is the Kojik bar soap. First time in make and DIY. At mga gagamitin, so nire-ready na natin yan, yung kaldero. At ito yung soup base, melt in 4. 25 pounds yan, guys. Ayan, oh. Goat's milk, soup base. Yan ang ating kojic acid dipalmitate. So this is the another ingredients, new ingredients for me. So we're gonna start preparing all of these. Of course, we have to make sure it all the amounts, the soap base, the oils that we're gonna use. So here you go. Tinanggalan natin siya sa kanyang box, ang 25 pounds na goat milk soap base. So yan, oh. Diba? Puting-puti yan, guys. So kita nyo naman, oh. Very clear. So we have to chop this in small pieces to do the melt and pour. Now, we done 7 pounds. So this is 7 pounds goat's milk. We have to so now we're gonna start the turn it on 10 minutes on the steam, and then now we're gonna do the measuring of, we measure already the oils, the infused oils that we're gonna add, and now we're gonna measure the other ingredients we have. This is 30 grams kojic. We're gonna add the 30 grams kojic for the 7 pounds. So guys, you have to do research before you do. Don't copy my ingredients, guys. You have to make your own creativeness for making bar soap. So now we have to measure the papaya powder. So we're gonna have to measure it. You see, guys, I have measuring here. There you go. Then we're gonna measure the arrowroot. So now I know already how much it is. Then we're gonna add the arrowroot. There you go, sakto. And then we're gonna add the turmeric, 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Or you can add only 3 teaspoons. It's up to you, guys, what color you want. I want a little bit golden yellow, that's why I add more. So you have to close the lid of this and remove all of this inside us because we're done with it. And now the kojic dipalmitate, because this is exactly what I need. So I'm just gonna melt this to the infused oil. And this one, we're gonna melt this with warm water, but the water is gonna from what do you call it? I forgot. Hirap, guys, mag-isip sa English. Okay, so we're done with this thing. We're gonna remove this in our way. It's done already, the melting of our soap base. Let's check if something. Yeah, it's all done melting. So let's it cool down, guys, before we adding all the ingredients. Need to be cooled down. So we have to melt the turmeric and the arrowroot in the hot water, and this distilled hot water, guys, or warm water. Then it's not enough. I add some more soap base that melted already because it has to be melted before we add on the soap base. So we're gonna do 2 times making it because I still have a kojic. Because you know it's easy for me. It's only half on this, so I can make another 1 round, 1 batch. So this is first batch, guys, for my kojic soap. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna show you the color. It's dark orange now, so when we add, it's gonna be golden yellow when we add to the soap base. We have to wait until it's a little bit cooled down. Right now it's 80 degrees. So guys, 80 degrees. Let's try my. It's only 33, guys. Kasi pawisan, I'm sweating. That's why it's hot, guys, making bar soap. So we have to cool down at least 60 degrees, guys. And of course, ready na ang ating, ayan, ang ating molders for soap making. Let's add the papaya and arrowroot, and also the turmeric. Wow, it's really beautiful color, guys. And after it's cooled down a little bit, then we're gonna add the kojic, the melted kojic that we melt in our infused oil. And also the essential oils that we are gonna add. The essential oils I'm using is
lavender, and sweet orange. So it's depend on you guys what kind of essential oil you want to use. So you don't have to copy the recipe. You don't have to copy all my ingredients, which available you have. So it's up to you guys. Nice. Wow, the color is golden yellow now. We have to wait until it's 60 degrees Celsius, guys, to add the kojic and essential oils and vitamin E. So we use essential oils and vitamin E, and also honey. We're gonna add honey on it. So we have, before it's cooled down, we need to spray alcohol on our hulmahan or in our so I'm not sure which one I can use it, but for sure I'm gonna make 2 batch because this is a lot of hulmahan and it's not enough the melting pour that I make. So we're gonna go back here. Let's check the temperature on our melt in pour soap base. So let's see. You see, guys, we have this because we have to check the temperature. So it's still 64 degrees, guys. So we have to wait to a little bit cool down because, you know, we want to add the essential oils when it's really cool down so the smells stays. Because before, I keep doing wrong thing. I add immediately, you know, too excited. And, you know, after the soap bar, after 2 months, 3 months, the smells like disappearing. See, guys, it's become hardened already. That's why now I'm trying to put it back here. At matutunaw pa siya. So first, we're gonna add our kojic dipalmitite, and then the honey and the essential oils. We're gonna add now the kojic dipalmitite. So I melted the kojic, guys, in the infused oils that I infuse in my pot, salad master pot. Now I have to add the honey. I'm just gonna estimate, guys, the honey. Sarap nito. Purong honey. So ganun lang, guys. Estimated honey, 5 or maybe 6 tablespoons. Hindi ko pwedeng isubo yung aking daliri kasi meron siyang ingredients ng sabon, kaya hugas agad. Yan. So it has to be melted properly. Very strong yung amoy ng kojic after na-mix siya sa sa sabon. Wow. Strong talaga ang kojic, guys. Yan. Let's see kung pwede na natin i-add ang ating essential oil. 52 kanina, 62. So hindi pare-parehas, to. Nagnuno ko itong akaw, 51 degrees, guys. So pwede ko nang i-add ang ating essential oils kasi mag-ano na ito, magda-dry up na siya. Kailangan na natin itong ilagay sa hulmahan. Ayan. Last ang essential oils, guys, at vitamin E. Mix it well, guys. And magagawa ulit tayo ng another batch para mapunuan natin ang ating hulmahan. Ayan, madami na to. Sana maka 30 pieces man lang ako nito. So ayan, i-ano na natin to sa ating hulmahan, guys. Pwede na to hulmahin. Now, ang bango na niya. Naamoy mo na yung time to put in the molder. Slowly, slowly, but surely. Oh, nagbubuo siya, guys. Kailangan kong haluin. Ito ang guys, pag malapit na siyang matuyo. So kailangan natin maghalo. Yan, medyo mainit. At talagyan natin itong ating seashell. Yung ating mga flowers na magaganda, nalagyan natin yan. Hindi man lahat, pero at least may nalagyan tayo. Yan. Nagplang pa rin siya, guys, yung papaya. So kailangan, maano to. So magagawa ulit tayo guys ng second batch. Magtutanaw ulit tayo ng ating susunod na Kojic soap. Before we forget, we have to spray alcohol to avoid the bubbles. I think na huli ako nagkaroon na siya guys ng mga bubbles. Kailangan kasi guys matanggal ang bubbles niya. Sabagay, pwede ko naman yan i-scrape mamaya yung bubbles niya. So magagawa ulit tayo ng another batch of one. So after my second batch guys, I'm gonna show you here. Here you go guys, this is the second batch, is lighter yellow than this one. This one is color papaya, but this one is color, no, papaya turmeric is the same color. So this one, I add only a little bit, not a little bit, the orange color, I add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. But this one, I add only half tablespoon of turmeric. See guys the difference? But the same Kojic Depalmitate, I use it. So only the difference is the turmeric I use. And this one, there's a bird on it, so let's see. And after 1 hour guys, see, it's drying fast guys. It's hard already, see guys? It's so beautiful guys. Oh, but I cannot unmold this because I don't want to be deformed. So I'm gonna unmold this tomorrow when I wake up in the morning. So because I wanna unmold at the same time everything here guys. So it's beautiful. My Kojic soap. Ayan. Ready for you guys. Order na kayo. So first come first serve for my Kojic soap. Here is the pot guys that I use. Bubble boiler. Let's see. I just wanna show you guys. No cut. Kung talagang mabula siya, if it really creates bubbles when you use the bar soap. So this is just the pot guys. See the bubbles is big guys. Ayan. Ayan o, hindi pa natin yung kinukuskos, ginuhusan lang natin siya ng tubig. So mabula talaga ang ating Kojic bar soap na ginawa kasi maraming honey. So I add a lot of honey guys. I estimated, I didn't measure it. See guys, mabula talaga siya at super bango. Dahil sa ginamit natin sweet orange, essential oil, and lavender. Ayan. At ang infused oil natin ay 9 kinds of herbal herbs. Ayan o, syempre para very healthy ang ating Kojic bar soap. O yan, diba? So ayan o, kaya huwag niyo sabihin na hindi mabula ang melt-in pour na sabon. Mabula po ang melt-in pour na sabon. Usually ako ginagamitan ko siya ng face towel para mas lalong mabula kapag ikinuskus ko sa katawan. So ayan na guys, nakita niyo ang ebidensya, mabula talaga. O ayan. Para kang nag-ano nito sa bathtub, nagbubble bath. Good morning guys! Unmolding time! So good morning, good afternoon kasi 2 PM na ngayon. So late na ako nakatulog kagabi, 4 AM yata or 5 AM. So madaling araw na. So dahil sa paggagawa ng sabon, hindi ako inantok. So ayan. At ngayon, ito na, the next day, unmolding time. So let's unmold. Ayan guys, so ito yung bayang nagawa natin ngayon ay, ilan ba to? 65 piraso yata. So 6, 12, bilangin natin yung 66, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, times 6, 30. Tapos ito, 34, 1, 2, 3, times, it's 12, so 30 plus 12, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 60. 65 guys, 65 pieces ang nagawa natin ng ating Kojic papaya turmeric soap. So, let's unmold. So, ang nangyari guys, ang Kojic pala ay lumilitaw siya. So, see, the Kojic is going up on the soap. I don't know, maybe. Look at that guys, it's so beautiful oh. So, ayan, i-ano na natin. Unmold ko muna, tapos later on, I will focus the camera on it. Ayan. Ang bango, super bango guys. Ayan, ang gaganda oh, di ba? Buhay na buhay. Ito yung ano, yung orange color, itong isa, golden yellow talaga. So, ayan. Dito na natin ilagay, kasi malinis naman ito guys, itong ano natin. So later, we will trim the excess on the top. Kasi sharp siya guys, pag natuyo na to, pag tumigas ng husto, nagiging sharp. So baka either maka-scratch ng skin, so kailangan tatanggalin natin yan. I-unmold muna natin siya lahat, bago tayo mag-trim. Ang ganda ng butterfly guys, so buhay na buhay. Ang ganda. Parang magugustuhan ko magawa ng Kojic soap guys. Ang ganda ng kulay oh. Parang candy, ang sarap kainin. Ayan yung ano niya guys, yung ibabaw talaga sa molder, at ito yung bottom niya. Ayan oh, nasa bottom kasi yung pinakang design. So, ito naman yung light colors, guys. Ito yung light colors. At ayan naman siya, oh, buhay na buhay din ang flowers. Ang ganda, oh. Parang may mata yata. Ayan. Mas gusto ko nakatayo, guys, mag-unmold. Ang ganda ng ating flowers na bilog, oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Di ako makatis, guys, hindi pakita sa inyo. Natutuwa lang ako. I'm so happy of the result of Kojic soap. Oh, di ba? Buhay na buhay ang ating mga animal kingdom dito. Ito muna malalaki. Unahin muna natin ang malalaki. Ang ganda niyang i-unmold, guys. Ito yung pinakang last na nilagay ko. Ito akin yan kasi ang nipis niya. Oh. Yan, itong sabon ko na yan. Sarap. Sarap ng amoy. So, ang magkaiba lang dito guys, sa lighter saka sa dark. Ito yung dark at ito yung lighter. Ang magkaiba lang dito guys ay more on turmeric. This is lesser turmeric. So, ihiwalay natin yung kukunti ang turmeric. At pagsamasamahin natin yung marami ang turmeric. So, ihiwalay natin ang konti ang turmeric. Sama-sama yung marami ang turmeric. Pero parehas lang siya guys ng amount ng, it's the same amount of Kojic acid depalmitate. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng I love mom. O, di ba? Mas maganda sa lighter yung I love mom. Kitang-kita mo talaga yung letra mababasa. Hindi kagaya yung mga nauna ko guys na ginawa. Medyo darker yung mga kulay kasi nga more on herbal yung nilagay ko. So ito, dahil nga tatlong klase lang yung herbs na nilagay ko, kaya light yung kulay niya. So, the more herbs na ilagay guys, nagiging mas dark yung kulay. Lesser herbs, siyempre lighter yung kulay. Ang gaganda oh. Sarap. Sa amoy pa lang eh. Relax na relax ka na sa amoy oh. Ang ganda oh. Diba? Nakakapa-relax guys yung amoy niya. Ayun, ang ganda ng kulay oh. Parang ang kinis sa balat tingnan. Ito dark pa to. Ay, hindi. Light siya. Ay, ang ganda ng aking angel. Oh, not angel guys, it's fairy. Diba? Ang ganda ng aking fairy. Wow, I love the flowers. Ang gaganda oh, di ba? I'm so happy with the result of my Kojic bar soap. Beautiful. Very beautiful guys. At ito, tingnan nga natin ito. Ang ganda nito guys. Oh, kamay na hinahawakan ang baby feet. Ayan oh. Actually, this is candle molder pero tinry ko siya sa sabon. It's so nice on the bar soap. Ayan oh. Ilang piraso din to? Dalawa pala, dalawa. Ay, gusto ko yan. Ang ganda pang display. Tsaka pwede mo siyang patayuin na ganyan guys oh. Di ba? Pwede siyang nakatayo na ganyan oh. Ayan, oh, di ba? Natayo siya kasi nga pang candle nga ito. Ito dark color to. Maganda rin yung dark, yung na golden yellow talaga siya guys oh. Nasaan yung isa nito? Yung makita. Ito to. Actually guys, only a little bit difference. See guys, the one is darker and the one is lighter. Which one do you like guys? The lighter one or the darker one? I like both guys. The darker one is it's both clear. You see the face, the picture. At ito naman ay cross na my birds. Wow, ang ganda pang display nito guys. Oh, cross na my birds. So this is candle molder guys, but I use it for soap making because I really like the design. That's why I bought this molder because of the design. Ayan oh, di ba ang ganda-ganda. Ay, gagawin ko tong ano pang display. Ang bango pa. Ayan oh, pwede siyang nakatayo. So dalawa din siya, isang dark at isang light. Tingnan nga natin kung alin ang mas maganda, yung dark ba or yung light. Ayan. Halos parehas lang siya guys. Oh, tingnan niyo oh. Dark and light. So alin, which one do you like guys? The dark or the lighter one? The dark, this is darker, this is lighter, but it's the same Kojic, the palmitate, the measurement. Only the difference is the difference is the lighter one lesser the turmeric. Ayan, ang ganda. Uy, ang ganda nila. Natutuwa ako kasi ang ganda nito. Pero gumuguha ang ating ano. Ayan, ito pa. Ay, ang ganda. Ayan, maganda rin yung dark. Para siyang ano. Galing. At ito yung talagang, ano to, super. Ayan, oh. Ayan, magandang to. Nasa 1 ounce lang to eh. Sarap ng amoy. At ito yung ating seashell. Medyo dumikit siya sa papel. Ayan. Kailangan ko siyang lagyan ng ano guys, kasi para makapal-kapal. Kasi sobrang nipis kasi nito. Ayan, oh. Ayan, oh, di ba? Ang ganda, oh. Ayan. At ito nandito yung bird, saka yung the birds is here and also the mermaid. So, I really want a mermaid design on my bar soap, guys. Ayan, ang ganda. Ay, tatlo pala yung angel, yung fairy ko. Tatlong fairy. Ayan. Ang ganda ng Kojic sack, guys. Alam niyo yung Kojic, mabilis siyang magpatigas ng ano ng sabon. It's faster become hard. The Kojic acid compared the other ingredients. Ang bilis niyang natuyo kagabi. 1 hour pa lang tuyo na siya, pero hindi ko muna siya tinanggal kasi kailangan kasi medyo firm talaga yung pagkatuyo niya. Kasi yung pagkatuyo niya kagabi after 1 hour ay hindi pa siya masyadong firm. Ngayon firm na siya kaya mas maganda siyang i-unmold. Ayan, ang ganda ng ating mga sabon. Nakakatuwang panoorin. Ayan, di ba? Ayan. At ito, tingnan natin yung isa. Ayan yung ating cross. So sana ito ay maganda ang resulta. Sana ay maganda ang ating mermaid. Ay, lumubog yung ano. Lumubog ang ating mermaid. Naglangoy ang mermaid tsaka ang ibon guys. Oh, yung mermaid lumubog tsaka yung ibon. So babakbakin natin to. Hindi naman masasayang yung tatanggalin natin kasi kailangan natin makuha itong molder. Ayan. Yay. Ang ganda ng bird guys oh. So kailangan natin ng kutsilyo. Kailangan yung manipis na kutsilyo guys. Hindi pwede yung makapal kasi papangit. Kailangan kasi ano to eh. Kapal no? Ayan. So itong tinanggal natin, isasama natin yan next time na magawa tayo ng Kojic soap. Ayan. Ito yung ating mermaid. Umano eh, nag-iba yung ano ng posisyon ng mermaid, lumangoy talaga yung mermaid guys. Nag-swimming ang mermaid. Ayan oh. Kasi wala, ano kasi siya talaga, manipis talaga kasi ito guys ng mga hulmahan. Ayan oh. Dapat sa ibabaw mo yan ilalagay. Kaso mo, pag sa ibabaw mo naman siya guys inilagay, pangit din, hindi siya magpa-flat. So kaya ang ginawa ko, sa ilalim ko siya nilagay para mag-form talaga yung ano niya. Ayan, ang ganda ni mermaid. Oh, wow. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, mas ganun talaga. Ayan guys, oh, tingnan niyo, oh, ang ganda, di ba? Ikakat ko pa yan guys, ayan oh, kakat ko pa yan. Di ba, ang ganda oh. Alam ko dalawa yung mermaid ko, hindi ko alam kung saan ko nailagay yung isang mermaid. Ayan, ganda-ganda, oh, di ba? Ayan guys, oh, tingnan niyo naman ang aking face guys. Wala pa yung hugas-hugas, wala pang banlaw-banlaw ang mukha ko. I haven't washed my face this morning. It's 2 p.m. already now. And you see, my anti-aging face all. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. To avoid sharp edge of this bar soap, of course, I have to remove this side. Kasi guys, once it's become cure or hard enough, it's gonna be sharp. So to avoid the sharp edge, we have to remove that. Yan, oh. Sharp kasi yan guys. Once it's become hard guys, it's become sharp. So we have to remove this. So a lot of work guys. You think pag na-unmold nyo na ayos na no, you have to remove the sharp edges of bar soap. Kasi habang nagko-cool down kasi dyan guys, bumababa yan, nagsishrink yung sabon habang nagko-cool down. Yung iba, may mga machine silang ginagamit pang ganito, pantanggal. Eh ako, wala, mano-mano talaga ako guys. So kailangan talaga ang hard handwork ko. And this sharp edges, I'm gonna use this next time that I make a kojic soup or whatever. Meron namang maganda, nag-plain siya ng bagsak. Hindi masyadong sharp pero kailangan talaga check natin isa-isa para wala siyang sharp edges. Yan. Diba guys, matrabaho. Hindi pwedeng bara-bara sa paggawa ng sabon. Always think about the safety of your customer. Kasi yung sharp edges nito, pwede yan makasugat, maka-scratch ng skin. So, ganun lang guys. Lahat yan, titingnan natin kung here you go guys, the beautiful design of my Kojic. Eh, patayuin natin ang ating mga ibon. Yan, patayuin natin para parang lilipad. At ang ating mermaid. Ayan, di ba? Yan, ang gaganda ng ating mga design guys. O, sa ating Kojic bar soap. Ayan, mga bulaklak. Ayan, ayan o. At ito yung ating babae na naamoy ng flowers. Ayan o. Yan, at ating elephant. At ang rhino. Ito, patayuin nga natin to. Yan. Yan, para tatakbo na yung elephant at rhino. At ito ang ating fairy. Ayan o. Yan, ang ating fairy. Dalawang fairy. At ito yung ating yan o. At ito ang ating ibon. Yan o, diba? Ang ganda o. So, ayan guys. Ang gaganda ng ating, at yan yung ating natanggal sa mga gilid-gilid na sharp edges. Yan. Kung titingnan nyo, ito yung ano niya. So, gusto nyo makita yung pinakang ilalim. Ayan. So, yung Kojic pala guys, umiibabaw siya o. Ayan o, yung iba kumalo sa loob, pero yung iba umibabaw. Ganyan pala yan, makintab. So, yan guys. At ito naman yung sa dark. Yan, yung medyo dark. Yan. Yan ang ating angel. Parang mas maganda yata. Mas buhay na buhay ang dark color. Ayan o, kumpara siya dito sa, ayan. Yung halos parehas lang guys. Ito yung light. Ayan o, tingnan nyo. Yung light tsaka dark. Kunti lang pala ang difference guys. Magkahawig pa rin sila o. Yan. Tingnan naman natin sa ito, sa fairy, kung ano naman ang pagkakaiba nila. Ay, natumba na. Yung dark tsaka yung, yan. So, yun naman. Kunti lang guys ang difference. So, yung the darker is more turmeric and lighter is lesser turmeric. Ito ang gusto ko dito. Yan, one of my favorite. Yan, yung kamay na may hawak ng baby feet. At yan o, yung ating elephant. At ito yung ating flowers na ang ganda-ganda. Yan. At syempre, the best ito. Yan. Ang ating seashell. Ang ating birdie. At the most favorite ay my mermaid. Yan ang ating most favorite mermaid yan. So, yan na guys. Ang ganda ng ating mga design. Here you go guys, the beautiful design.